Hello everyone, how to sort multiple columns in Excel A to Z. So let's start. First open your Excel and here you can see I have data, product name, quantity, customer name and amount. So select inside the cell and go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, here you can see there are two options showing A to Z and Z to A. So when I click on the A to Z, here you can see your all column is sort in A to Z. Again, I click on the Z to A. You can see the all columns sort in Z to A. Okay. And if you select the outside the cell in this Excel, and after that, when you click on the A to Z, here the Microsoft Excel showing the error. This can't be applied to the selected range. Select a single cell in a range and try again. Just click on OK. Now select the single cell in your data and then try, and you can see your sort you can do easily. Okay. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.